She doesn't like the ribs whatsoever. No, you don't. Are you growling at me, young lady? Huh? Are you growling at me? That wouldn't be you, would it? What if I come over here and get this piece? Can I have this piece? This piece, right here. This one. This one. No? How about this one? Huh? There's more. I'm not gonna steal your food, baby. You like Aunt Darlene's ribs, don't you? Yeah, they're pretty good, huh? That's a piece of meat that you're swatting at. Come on, there's more on the table. Right here. Right here. Look. Needy. Right there, honey. Well, I guess you found it, didn't ya? It's right here. Needy. Turn your butt around here. Right there. There you go. No. You won't even eat it. Oh, you actually ate it, or did Susie jump up there and get it?